When you mention clematis, most people picture loads of summer flowers cascading over an arbor or arch or a trellis. What many people don't know, however, is that there's clematis that flower in winter as well. And today I just thought I would show you some of the Cirrhosa types, which are some of my favourite winter flowering clematis. When you look at them, the first thing you'll notice is that they're actually quite leafy, and that's because they're evergreen or semi-evergreen. Now, semi-evergreen will mean that a plant may lose some or occasionally all of its leaves if the temperatures really plummet. But in sheltered gardens or milder winters, they're more than likely to keep all of their foliage, which is great for year-round screening. The other thing these do is produce these really pretty bell-shaped flowers. They tend to be from creamy white to these marooned fleckled petals, and some of them are so heavily freckled that they're almost a solid colour. But they're really pretty when grown up over an arch, and you can view them from below. Originating from southern Europe and northern Africa, these plants are not quite fully hardy, but that makes them perfect for town gardens, and if you place them against a sunny south-facing wall, they'll just thrive. They prefer a relatively fertile soil, but relatively free draining as well, so avoid winter wet if you can. And you will also need to provide some sort of support because they're twining climbers, so they need something to clamber up. Being at their best now in midwinter means that they often become dormant in summer, so they stop growing and they may even shed some of their leaves. So don't be surprised in midsummer if you see the odd brown leaf. Just pick it off and the plant's going to look as good as gold.